Hello again, and welcome back to Real Talk Behind the Badge. I'm Tim, a military vet and retired police detective sergeant from Massachusetts. Now, I've been a street supervisor, a detective, and in charge of a narcotics squad. I've been shot at, my family's been threatened, I've been sued and cleared, I've been injured too many times to count, and I've had to fight for my own life. I know the life of a cop. Today we're going to see an oldie but goodie. I got to tell you, I think this woman is totally unhinged and thinks she's a hot shit, the big boss, and can do whatever she wants and speak however she wants. She has no business being a cop. No one wants to be treated like this, and no cop should act or treat others this way for no reason. So let's see what she does. It's only about seconds long, but you'll see what I mean. Now, I've cut out a lot of the videos so as not to waste your time. So let's get going, and you can chime in at the end with your comments. We encourage everyone to leave a comment. Let's get going.
You shut up long enough for me to finish talking?
That's not very nice.
I don't give a damn.
Tiffany Parsons.
What's your badge number?
37, Gadsden County Sheriff's Office.
Thank you.
Phone number 627-9233. And if you need anything further, I can give it to you.
If I'm free to go, have a nice day.
You're not free to go.
So I'm being detained.
Temporarily.
For what
I'm
reason?
conducting an investigation.
What's your
and
reasonable?
my badge says that I can.
What's your reasonable
and you
articulable
will
suspicion?
Be quiet. Can you shut up long enough for me to finish talking?
That's not very nice.
I don't give a damn.
What's your reasonable articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime? Did you take an oath to uphold and defend the Constitution of the United States, ma'am? Are you aware that this is a First Amendment right? Are you remaining silent?
I am pleading the fifth. How about that?
Well, there you have it. Short and sweet. Talk about an ego. I don't think this warrants any more explanation. One of my intentions is for police officers to learn from the mistakes made and discussed here. Please help us out and hit subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks to all of our brothers and sisters behind the badge. This is Real Talk, signing off until next time. Have a great day.